everyone, I had a request on how to adjust your levers, and I figured I would actually explain the proper way to have your levers and how to adjust them. Now, in order to adjust your levers, you're going to need a 5mm hex socket, and just have it with you while you're on the bike. Make sure to not scratch any paint or anything. So let's go ahead and get started. Now I find whenever I buy a new bike, the levers are up here, and that's just too high. So the best way to determine which way your levers should be is put your arms straight, and things should be in a straight line on your brake and on your clutch. They shouldn't be up here, and they shouldn't be down here. Okay, so straight line. Now, they're very easy to adjust. So on your levers, there are these bolts. All you have to do is loosen them, top and bottom. Once done, you can adjust your levers however you want. Now, the important thing here is make sure you don't pinch any cables. So after you adjust them, so we're gonna go ahead and get this back to where it was, tighten it up. You can also move them in and out a little bit. Once you have it right in line, tighten them up. Like I said, this is easiest to do while you're sitting on the bike. Hold your hand flat against it so it doesn't rotate or anything on you. And then double check everything feels good and that you're at the right level. Once you have them adjusted, you want to rotate your bike. Make sure nothing's pinching. Check all your cables, your brake lines, anything you have in here. Check them all. Nothing pinches. And everything looks good, you're set. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Stay safe, keep the rubber side down.
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I will try and answer everyone's questions as soon as possible. If there's anything you would like to see, any tips, tricks, techniques, anything at all motorcycle related, please let me know. I do these videos for you, so anything that you would like to see, I am more than happy to do it. If you like this video, please click that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and click the bell to notify you whenever a new video drops. Thank you again. Ride safe and keep the rubber side down.